A spoonful of this oil every morning can change your life. Olive oil has been shown to be one of the healthiest cooking oils available. But did you know that a tablespoon of the oil mixed with some lemon juice is incredibly beneficial? For health nuts and those looking to cook healthy while losing weight, olive oil is the go-to cooking oil. Most people are familiar with olive oil and its heart-healthy characteristics. Nevertheless, the benefits of oil go far beyond simply protecting the heart. Olive oil demand has surged in recent years as the world's health-conscious population has grown. Did you know that drinking around 15 milliliters of olive oil first thing in the morning actually offers numerous health benefits? Consuming a full tablespoon of oil on an empty stomach doesn't really sound very appetizing, yet it can truly change your life. Olive oil is commonly used in cooking because of its multiple health benefits, but eating it raw is even healthier. Many health professionals suggest consuming olive oil in the morning with a small amount of lemon juice. The addition of the lemon improves the oil's flavor and stimulates the digestive tract. Here are some reasons to consume olive oil first thing in the morning. 1. Promotes weight loss. The Mediterranean diet is the actual inspiration for this method of consuming olive oil. Oleic acid, which is present in olive oil, induces satiety and the sense of fullness. 2. Detoxification. A number of experts believe that an olive oil and lemon detox cleanse provides significant advantages for the digestive system. 3. Reduces risk of colon cancer. Drinking extra virgin olive oil can lower the risk of colon cancer and prevent the body from producing free radicals, according to research. This is likely due to the high antioxidant content of olive oil. 4. Beautiful and healthy skin. Antioxidants and vitamin E both help to delay skin aging. Thankfully, both of them are abundant in olive oil. To gain all of these benefits, just combine 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil with the juice of 1 ripe lemon and drink every morning. Your benefits from this tonic will increase with the quality of the olive oil you use. To boost the mixture's flavor and detoxification strength, you can also add a small amount of water. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.